Okay, let's do a real world application now. It says finding the dimensions of a rectangular prism. The toy shown below is made of several bars that can be folded together to form a rectangular prism or unfold to form a ladder. What expressions can represent the dimensions of the toy when it's folded up? Use factoring. So volume is equal to 6x cubed plus 19x squared plus 15x. So the first thing that they did, they factored out the x, and they're left with 6x squared plus 19x plus 15. So this is just like those problems in lesson 8-6 where my a is greater than 1. So I'm going to multiply 6 times 15 and I get 90. And I want to know the factors of 90 that equal to 19. And that's pretty easy. That's going to be 9 and 10. And so I plug that in and I get 6x squared plus 9x plus 10x plus 15. I group them. And so I pull out what they have in common. They have a 3x in common. I'm left with 2x plus 3. Here I group those, and I have a 5 in common, so I'm left with 2x plus 3. And so 2x plus 3 is alike, so I pull that out, and I'm left with 3x plus 5. So x times 3x plus 5 times 2x plus 3 are the possible dimensions of my little toy here. So now let's do it on our own. It says a rectangular prism has a volume of 60x cubed plus 34x squared plus 4x. What expression can represent the dimensions of the prism? Use factoring. So I've written it on my whiteboard, and the first thing that I'm going to do is, of course, factor. And so, let's see, actually, I don't know. Can 4 go into 34 evenly? Let's see, 34 divided by 4 is, nope, can't go into it evenly. 34 divided by 2, though, so we'll have to factor out a 2 instead. So, we'll say 2x. When I factor out a 2x, I have 30x squared plus 17x plus 2. Okay, and so I'm going to factor, so I'm going to multiply 2 times 30, which is 60, and look for factors of 60 that add up to 17. Okay, so I know that we can do 2 and 30. Those factors are equal. We can do 3 and 20. Can't add there. We can do 4, I believe, and 15. Those don't equal. I can do 5 and 12. Oh, I can stop. 5 plus 12 equals 17. So let me rewrite it. I have 2x times 30x squared plus 5x plus 12x plus 2. And then I'm going to factor by grouping. So I'm going to put parentheses here and here so I know which ones I'm looking at. And I'm going to pull this 2x down. And I see that of 30x squared and 5x that I have 5x just alike. So I'm left with 6x plus 1. Plus here, 12x and 2, I have a 2 in common, so I'm left with 6x plus 1. And so I still have my 2x, and I have 6x plus 1 alike, and I have 5x plus 2 left. And so my dimensions would be 2x, 6x plus 1, and 5x plus 2. See if there's any other parts of the question. No, I hope that this helps.